Oh, look at me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't posted anything in a while and it's only been like a week, but I'm bored and I'm about to do my makeup. I've been in this house and I think I look a mess, so I'm gonna do my makeup. And yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't know what look I'm going for, but I'm gonna just go ahead and start. So yeah, let me see if I want to use my mic. Hold on. Okay, so I'm not gonna use a mic. I can't do it. So yeah, I'm in my room. Kind of looks unfamiliar to you all because I'm usually, when I do my makeup, I'm usually in my mom's room. So I decided to do makeup in my room. Okay, so I was using my eyebrow pencil because ain't nobody got time for this. I mean, it can get messy, that's all I'm gonna say, but I prefer pencil. So yeah guys, I'm gonna finish it off. I really need to like wax my brows, but I don't got the, I ain't gonna say I don't got time, I just don't feel like, you know, the hair that grows underneath. But yeah, I've been finishing my schoolwork because I am in school and it's tough this semester. This semester is really tough. I don't know. Pray for me. So yeah. Also, like, I was reading and it was saying how like 3,000 people had died in the past 3 days in New York from the virus. Like, what the heck? And they're using like 18-wheeler freezer trucks to like store bodies. Like, that's so sad. It's like unreal. Like, I don't know. Let me concentrate now. But yeah, I just hope none of my family or myself get the virus. We're staying in the house, but can you imagine being in New York and like thousands of people are dying a day? How many of your friends and family members, like, that's sad. I don't know what's going on. I don't know, have I ever gave you guys a room tour? Because I just kind of redid my room. I don't know, I'll probably show you. So yeah. By the way, this is LA Girl Pro Concealer. So yeah. And I'm using my Fix Plus spray. I love this stuff. So I spray a Q-tip and I just kind of clean up that brow. Okay, so I just went ahead and finished my brows off camera. Now I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown brow shaper. It's the bomb.com, but I'm running low. But it just does the job. Just, oh my gosh, it's perfect. But yeah, I've been in the house for about 3 weeks now. And it's making me lazy. Like, I don't know. You think like, oh, I'm in the house, I can get this done and that done. And I have gotten some things done, but overall, I've gotten so lazy. Like, it's so hard for me to do my schoolwork because I'm like sleep or eating. I don't know. But I've also been buying like a lot of stock because the stock market, like, stocks are really low right now. So yeah, I've gotten like $785 worth of stock right now. And hopefully, like, when things are going back to normal after the virus, like, it just goes up and I'll profit. So yeah, I'm trying to think, what am I going to use now? I'm going to go in with my MAC foundation. I use NC40. It's the perfect shade. So yeah, guys, I think I got a little too much. Okay. And I like to use a beauty blender and, you know, go in. But yeah, I have a lot of stock. I have stock with 2 medical marijuana companies. I have stock with 3 or 4 companies that are trying to secure or create a vaccine for the virus, and those are really going up. I have stock with BP oil, and I'm getting more stock Monday when the market opens up with another oil company because they're penny stocks right now, but they finna go up. And I got some more Clorox, the Clorox company. Let's see what else. I can't even think. I don't know. But I got a lot of stock, and I just want to get rich and live life fabulously. So we need to go ahead and do something. This makeup is like, or this foundation, it's just the bomb. Y'all see that? It's like perfect match. Like, oh my god, and it's just so flawless. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to contour. I'm gonna use the same makeup, but I don't know, I was bored and I kind of wanted to do my makeup and talk. Yeah, guys, I don't know, I might mix. But if you want to invest in the stock market, now is the perfect time, because once this Rona is over with, baby, things are going to go back to normal, and so will the stocks. So I'm not gonna do too much. Like, I'm not gonna do too much. I don't want to do too much. So I'm going to use this to blend. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what I was talking about before, but yeah, I'm not sure if I use this palette, this Profusion palette, but I'm gonna deepen my contour a little bit because I just want that depth, like, you know, come through. And then I'm going to use the same brush. It's actually a foundation brush, but I don't even use brushes for my foundation. And I'm gonna set, this is set in my concealer. man. So I'll be doing my eyes, but I'm gonna do my lips last. But I had to get up to get this. This is my lipstick and stuff. I have a whole bucket of just loads of lipstick. Most of it's e.l.f. because e.l.f. be having some really good sales and prices. Like, come through. I love e.l.f. Like, oh my god. Most of this stuff is e.l.f. though. And if you watch my makeup haul on my channel, you've seen all the makeup I got. So this is my mom got me this for Christmas, I think. I don't even know what this is, but we're gonna come up with something. So yeah. So I'm going in with this Vivid Dreams color story, and I actually got this from Rainbow, and it mimics the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Juvia's Place, the Zulu actually, and this is Vivid Dreams, but this was $6.99. Different colors, but I have another one. But I'm gonna go in with this Bombshell color, and I had came up with a makeup look that I took off. And so I'm gonna retell what I was talking about while I was putting that on, because y'all not gonna see that footage. But basically, I'm in school for healthcare administration, and it's like it's Masters of Business Administration in healthcare. And I actually was saying that I'm failing the class right now because of my professor. Like, she sucks. She just grades poorly. She doesn't explain things. She cancels like the live sessions that we're supposed to learn. Like, she cancels classes, and she's horrible. And literally the majority of the class is failing because she decided to give everybody zeros for the midterm because there was a problem with the camera, like with the webcam. And the dean has not did anything yet, and I'm failing that class, and I only have a few weeks to like get a C, and I'm not gonna drop out because there could be a huge turnaround for me, but it sucks. Like, I'm really doing the best that I can, and she grades poorly. Like, I can put my heart out into a paper that's, I don't know, she'll give me half credit. I'm like, what? And she'll just, the only thing she says is paragraph 2 didn't support paragraph 1 and paragraph 3 didn't support paragraph 2. And I'm like, lady, do you know I need to graduate? Because I don't think you understand that. But she's a trip. I don't like her. But I have 3 more classes other than that I'm passing with flying colors. If it wasn't for her, I'll be honors this semester, honestly. My camera decided to get too hot. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this. If I upload this, you're welcome, because this video is just all over the place, not planned, unorganized, choppy, interrupted. I don't even know. But if you love me, you're still here and you're watching it, so thank you. Red on there, and I'm about to cut my crease with this Smashbox palette. I don't even know which one I want. I'm going to use some concealer because it's glitter, and I'm going to just take this. Let's see how this gonna turn out. I don't know. And my camera gets so hot and just cuts off. I hate it. You know, I'm just going with this e.l.f. It's actually the lip plumping gloss, and it's in Sparkling Rose. Now, if it plumps your lips, it don't do it for me unless I just have naturally plump lips. But I can't really tell the difference. but it tingles a bit. I think that's the whole point, like it, you know. I'm going to spray my setting spray. So I got a little soft brush. I'm gonna blend it out. I'm finished. I don't know what else to do. I'm done. I'm done, you guys. I'm done. I was just bored and I wanted to chit chat and do my makeup on camera just to do something during this time of being stuck in the house. But again, thank you so much for watching. Go watch some videos on my channel if you're new, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and you guys will see me later. Have a good night. Bye. Guys, also check out these knowledge sprays I did these myself, and I have the video on my channel. So if you missed it, or if you're new and you didn't get a chance to see it, it's on my channel. Go watch it, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm trying to grow, so check out Sis's channel, okay? Okay. Yes, thank you.